G'day guys, we're Al and Imo. We're a husband and wife duo with two beautiful daughters building our dream lifestyle one project at a time.
Welcome to the Good Day House series, where we'll be sharing fortnightly videos featuring how we built our house from the ground up.
I worked as a carpenter for nearly 10 years on a lot of epic houses in Melbourne's inner suburbs. Then moving into furniture making, I continued to learn a lot about the types of materials I like to work with and started to develop a minimalist and functional style of making.
For as long as I can remember, I've been designing and creating content. I got my first camera when I was 13 and have been styling shoots and taking photos ever since. I moved from far north Queensland to Melbourne when I was 18 years old to study design. I love storytelling and the way it connects people, and you could say that I'm a natural oversharer. 7 years ago, we moved away from the city, combined our skills and started our own furniture making business on the Surf Coast in Victoria. We instantly fell in love with the lifestyle and the community.
Between the two of us and our passion for design and hard work, we've dreamt of building our own home for what seems like forever. This dream became reality and we decided to document the process along the way so that we could share with you what we've learned about designing and building our first family home.
Although unfinished, the Good Day House is a modern, all-electric 7.5-star energy-efficient home situated in the beautiful coastal town of Torquay, about 5 minutes from iconic Bells Beach. Alongside local designer builder Sherriff Constructions, we've created our first dream home.
We hope that wherever you are in the world, this series inspires you to challenge yourself and build your dream lifestyle one project at a time, just like us.
From our family to yours, thanks for watching, and we're stoked you're here. For more house build, design and DIY content, make sure to hit subscribe to our YouTube channel.